Welcome back to Math, Module 1, Lesson 13, dividing decimals by a single-digit whole number. Now what we have here is we have a number with a decimal point in it, right? Here's your decimal point, and we call this 24 hundredths. So we're going to take 24 hundredths and we're going to divide it by 4. As you can see, the 2, which is right here, because this is the 2 tenths, right? And the 4 hundredths is right there. Well, we're going to just circle 4 items. Well, we can circle these 4 items without any problem. But how about these 2?
No.
Well, we can't. So what do we do with them? Well, we're going to have to move them around.
I'm
going to edit this out too.
So we don't hear Antonio's voice.
So we're going to take this right here, and once we move it back to this, how many dots are we going to put in its place? How many dots is this worth in the hundredths column? This is worth 10. So I'm going to take this guy right here, and I'm going to move him over. How many did I put? 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10.
Okay, so this dot is going to become 10 over here, right? And how many dots am I going to put over here for this one?
10.
Another 10. So I'm going to move that down. 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10.
Excellent. So now these 2 just went over here, and we have 24 in the hundredths spot. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So what do? I'm going to just cross these out now, okay?
Okay.
So there's nothing there anymore. Now how many am I going to circle in how many do I want to circle?
4.
4 of them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could do it all kinds of ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups do I have? Let's see. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So we have 6 groups with 4 items. Is that correct? But is this a 6 as in a whole number 6? Or where is our 6? What column is it in?
100.
It's in the hundredths column. So what is our hundredths? How do we write that out up here? How are we going to write out hundredths? Well, our decimal point is the same as this one right here, right?
Yes.
And then we have one place. Do we have anything in this place? No. So we put a 0 there. And then how about this place?
6.
This is where our 6 goes. So our answer is 0.06 or 6 hundredths, right?
Yeah.
Does that make sense? All right, let's try another one, shall we? All right, here we have 1.5 divided by 5. So I have, what is this?
1.
Well, that's 1 whole, right? So I've got 1 whole here, right? Here's my decimal point, correct?
Yes.
Same as this decimal point. And then I have 5 what?
5
Tenths. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the tenths column. Is that correct?
Yes.
I want to circle how many?
5.
5. I'm going to circle 5 of them. Well, I can circle these 5, but what do I do with this?
Move it over.
I have to move it over. And when I move it over to this column, how many dots am I going to put? Okay, then count with me, okay? So I'm going to move this guy over now. 1, 2, 3,
7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so is there anything here in the ones column any longer?
No. No.
No. So there's nothing in the ones column. I'm going to cross that out so you don't get confused. So how many am I going to circle?
5.
I'm going to circle 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups do I have?
3.
But do I just put a 3 up here?
No.
No. What column is it in? The 10th place. So I'm going to put a 0 because I've got nothing in the ones, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm going to put what? What do I need to put?
Decimal.
Decimal, right. And then I'm going to put a 3 because I have 3 groups in the 10th column. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now let's do a little bit different problem. This is going to be a problem that you're going to see in your math book. Okay, this is going to be a problem that you see in your math book. 4 groups of what tenths is 1.6. So if I took my groups, I have 4 groups right here, right? And I have 4 items in each one, right? That's going to give me 16 tenths. Is that correct?
Yes.
But 16 tenths, how do we get 1.6 from 16 tenths? Well, let me change my color here. And I'm going to, how many would I have to have over here of these dots to move this over to the one place?
10.
I'd have to have 10. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, see that? That I could move over and make a what?
1.
A 1, right? Here's my decimal point, right? Here's my decimal point.
Yes.
And how many do I have left?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6, right? So do you see the 1.6?
Yeah.
Do you see how that works? Let me go to another one that might be in your book as well. 4.2 divided by 7. 4.2 is how many tenths? If we shoved them all in the tenths category, how many would there be?
42 tenths.
42 tenths. You're right. So I'm going to go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40. And how many more? 2. I'll just put these guys right there. All right? So we're going to put them into groups of 7, right? So we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is our 7th. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, huh? That make up this group. So how many groups do I have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we would have 6. If you notice, it's in the what category? Tenths. So I have 6 tenths. And that's how I get my answer. And if I was to write that out as a decimal, I would write it out 0. Because there's nothing here, 0.6. All right, I hope that helps you. Draw stuff out, watch it again. I love math!